Yep, that's right. We made it to Otaru over here in Japan. Hey, it's a little colder today, but we have made it to Otaru down here in Japan. A little bit colder. You saw from the pictures, you got some snow in the mountains right there. So yeah, it's a little chilly. Just a hoodie. I mean, the temperature is, I don't know, 40 something maybe. Feels 35. This is a port terminal right here. And when I go around this way, hey B Weezy, you see it's about a, I don't know, 300-yard walk to get to the main street. Not bad. They have taxis by the door, so if you need to take a taxi, you can. It seems like every port we're at, there's an ambulance waiting for us. They have vending machines everywhere. All kind of snacks, all kind of drinks. They even have ones with cigarettes. I haven't seen that since I was 12 years old. Just walking into town, they had so many places that were just perfect for taking pictures. Very photogenic, this town. They had tons of shopping areas here. But we went looking for souvenirs. They were tough to find. All this walking around town got us a little hungry. So we decided on this place, New Sanko, to get our grub on. The menu was in Japanese, but fear not. Google Lens was able to translate it for us. Pro tip. I think we're going to try this right here, the steak and garlic rice. The sizzle. Steak and garlic rice. Billy has the same. With the Sapporo beer and a little sake. Nice little salad. Okay, they provided chopsticks. I'm not using chopsticks. But this food is amazing. I mean, maybe I'm just hungry. Maybe the sake's kicking in. This food is amazing. After lunch and a couple of drinks, we decided just to walk around, see the sights of this downtown area. Oh boy, too much sake. Now we gotta try to make it back to the ship. We got plenty of time. It's probably about 2. All on board is at 5. So we got plenty of time. But we're gonna start walking back to the ship. This is what having too much sake will do to you. Anybody want some dried out meat? Forgive me for the noise, wind noise in this, but they had a high school band or group that was waving by to us as we were pulling out from the port. I thought it was really cute. As we were leaving, I noticed we had a bunch of windmills out there.
I'm like, look, they're right behind you, one block up and one block.
I was finally able to get a sunset. What a view.